Let's rebind it. Okay, we got bind. What I haven't demonstrated is what happens if you lose control or lose signal from the quadcopter or from the transmitter. Okay, transmitter coming off now. 1001, 1002, 1003. 3 seconds you got before it starts to drop. So keep that in mind, folks. You know, if you're up there and you notice loss of control for 3 seconds, that means you're flying out of range. So it has a 3 seconds loss of signal. Okay, let's turn it back on. Pointing it in the direction of the wind. And we're going to try headless mode and 1 key return now. Headless mode. And it's operating in headless mode right now. Comes with a beep. I'm pirouetting it to show you that it is in headless mode. Let's go upwind. And we're going to try 1 key return. And it comes back to you. Again, there's the wind there. I mean, the wind is also helping with it. Going to higher rate. Let's see if I need to be in headless mode for this thing to coming out of headless mode. Okay, without headless mode on, let's go press 1 key return. And it comes back down parallel to the headless mode bearing. So it does not require headless mode to be operative to work. Going back upwind again. One more time for headless mode, or 1 key return. And it works. Okay, let's try flips. Going to a higher rate too because of this wind. Going upwind a bit. Flips. Going way upwind now this time. Okay, that's higher right there. Going way upwind. It's flying backwards down the wind. Okay, we are still in high rate. Let's try the maneuverability here. Still kind of a slow yaw rate, even in high rate. Let's go one more time and try that camera one more time. Going way upwind again. Fighting the wind, fighting the wind, fighting the wind. Turning the camera on. Got the camera on, going back upwind again. Turning the quadcopter. Pointing at myself. I don't know if I'm showing up.